Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Reset and Rise, the podcast where we blend mindset, energy, modern psychology to help you break free patterns, heal deeply, and step into the highest version of yourself. I am your host, Juhi Jethani, life and mindset coach, energy healer, tarot and Akashic reader, and your cheerleader on this journey of personal transformation. Today's episode is really very special because we are diving deep into the topic that literally rewires your mind from inside out. That is NLP, Neuro Linguistic Programming for Daily Mindset Mastery. And today we have a truly amazing guest with us who has helped countless people transform their beliefs, language, and inner dialogue. So let's welcome today Dr. Nupur Gupta, a former dentist, from healing smiles to healing souls, confident catalyst, manifestation expert, empowerment coach, healer, speaker, NLP practitioner, and someone who understands how your words shape your reality. So let's welcome Dr. Nupur Gupta with us.
Hi, Juhi. Hello.
Welcome, Dr. Nupur.
Thank you for your invitation. Thank you. Thank you for warm welcome.
Most welcome. So, Dr. Nupur, we'd like to know a little more about your journey.
Juhi, I was a dentist. Before my marriage, I was a practicing dentist. It's been 11 to 12 years I had left dentistry. And since 2023, I'm into the neuroscience. Like when I felt that now I should. In the meanwhile, I joined my husband's business. The we have I did a lot of things, like I did so many things in the meanwhile. But from 2023, there from there, I got to know that I'm meant for something big. Something else is calling me. Then I got for a course, test scanning test for my son, which attracted me a lot. That is dermatoglyphic multiple intelligence test. It attracted me so much that not only the scanning of my son, I gone for my scanning also, and I become a franchiser of that because I wanted to help people. I can see many people like me around me. Like I was a skilled, I was educational, I had a lot of knowledge, but still I was stuck in my life just because my surroundings were not supporting me.
Okay.
So I thought, because at somewhere dentistry also caused me bronchial asthma because the infections I took from the people, that doesn't allow my in-laws that I should go into it because they wanted me to take care of me. So my husband, when he saw me, so he said that you are becoming ill and I can't allow you like this. Then sooner we got into family planning also. All this happened. Then the COVID come. After the COVID, uh, as a COVID warrior, I worked. Then after that, I realized that neuroscience is something that always attract me. I always wanted to know the psychology of people. I wanted to read the brains, how they react, how the emotions work, how this human brains work. I always wanted to know about it. So in 2023, I had done this neuroscience course, and I done this dermatoglyphic multiple intelligence test where we read the fingerprints, we scan the fingerprints, we read the fingerprints, we tell the personality of a person, we tell everything about their career. Like this, it it developed my interest more and more. Then I wanted to explore more. Then I learned the business also in this. Now I'm working on the energies of the people since more than 1 year, and like like I had transformed my life completely in each area of my life, whether it's work, whether it's money, whether it's finances, whether it's health, whether it's relationship, whether it's my personal development. Because once I was a crybaby, I was a blaming one. how I change my mindset, how I change my scenario. I wanted to help many like this. So from here my journey begins. Then something new come to me, that is NLP, neuro linguistic programming. And this is a game changer, seriously. It's very, very powerful.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nupur, for sharing your journey. And I hope it will inspire so many of us because this is what is required for everyone. Those who are going through the challenges is the transformation, how you can overcome your challenges by doing your inner work. So, we would
Yes.
like to know more about NLP. As you're saying, it is really inspiring. So, could you please
Yeah,
explain what NLP is?
sure. NLP is neuro linguistic programming. Neuro means the brain, but
Okay.
we are not working on the brain, we are working on the mind inside the brain. And linguistic is the language. Programming is how the language is reframed to inspire you, to empower you. Whatever inner dialogue we have, the self talks we used to do, they becomes our identity, and that only decides our destiny. So I would like to tell you the science behind this. You must be knowing our brain have neurons. Like our body is made up of cells. Similarly, the brains have some cells which are called neurons. And our brain have 86 billions of neurons. So each neuron is connected with another neuron via a tiny communication bridge. Like two neurons are connected to each other with a tiny communication bridge, and these bridges are called synapse. This synaptic connection is the main point where RAS, that is reticular activating system, works. RAS is a filter between your conscious mind and your subconscious mind. RAS filters all the sensory information which your brain gets. It filters it. It only takes and keeps the informative ones, the necessary ones, and they all get stored in your subconscious, not just for this birth lifetime, but for ages.
Okay.
Like you always know the soul journey, everything has a science behind. The soul is not, it's not a just one lifetime. It might be 5,000, 10,000, or maybe more than that. So our subconscious is deeply rooted. It has not just the memory of this lifetime, it has the memories of all the lifetimes we had earlier. So, like these, when these neurons, they via these synaptic connections, when they carry all this information, so you can imagine there are now 100 trillion synaptic connections because each neuron can build connection with 10 neurons at a time.
Oh,
This, like in this way, 1,000 connections they can make. So on the approximation, if you see, then our brain have 100 trillion synaptic connections, which is more than the stars we have in the Milky Way.
right.
So you can just imagine how much of information is stored inside it. Like we say, उसका बिहेवियर ऐसा है, उसकी पर्सनालिटी ऐसी है. एक बच्चा तो ऐसी नॉर्मल पैदा होता है, कहाँ से आया है बिहेवियर एंड पर्सनालिटी?
Right.
एक साल में कौन से माँ बाप और कौन से दादी बाबा नाना नानी ने उसको ऐसा क्या सिखा दिया जो उसका एक बिहेवियर और पर्सनालिटी बन गया. सो दिस इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट ऑल. तो ये जो सबकॉन्शियस में एजिस से जो भरा हुआ है ना, वो आपका बिहेवियर, आपकी पर्सनालिटी, आपके हैबिट्स, आपका लैंग्वेज, आपका वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग, थिंकिंग, थॉट्स, बिलीव्स, एक्शंस, इमोशंस, ये सब कुछ वहां से आता है. Why someone is very angry, why someone is so always full of humor. Yeah, so
Yes.
there is a difference in all these things.
Amazing. Thank you for sharing this insights. Because normal जिनको नॉलेज नहीं होता है तो वी जस्ट ऑपरेट इन आवर मोनोटोनियस लाइफ, तो ये सब इन डिटेल मोस्टली पता नहीं होता है दैट हाउ आवर ब्रेन
Yeah,
एंड माइंड वर्क्स. सो
because most of the families, वी ऑलवेज लिसन्स, इसके माँ बाप ऐसे होंगे, इसके घर का ऐसा माहौल होगा, ये होगा वो होगा। नो, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है। हाँ, एनवायरनमेंट मैटर करता है, बट
राइट।
वो कितना कर जाएगा? कुछ पहले से भी तो उसके अपने खुद का भी तो है ना। So
हम्म।
this is very much important to understand, not just as a student or not just as a doctor, I must say. It is important for everyone, whether it's a homemaker, whether it's a businessman, कोई भी छोटा बच्चा बड़ा हो कोई भी हो, ये सबके लिए बहुत जरूरी है जानना कि what's the science behind all this.
सो अभी जैसे कि आपने बोला कि हमारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में स्टोर होता है, तो व्हाट डज सबकॉन्शियस माइंड टेक आवर वर्ड्स लाइक लिटरली? सो हाउ डज इट मेक impact on our brain and mind?
Very nice question. So the language we use, the self-talk we do, the inner dialogue we have, like it all it all just change your focus. And when your focus change, your emotional state change. And when this emotional state changes, then the change of action also comes. So your language, your words, they are very important. Words are not just the sounds, they are the codes, the neurological command given to your brain. If you will say, I am not enough, I am not good, I am unlucky, I can't do it. So your brain will find out more and more evidences to prove it right. That yes, this is true. If she is repeating this again and again, this is true. It will find out more and more evidences to filter this. That yes, हाँ यही सच है आपके लिए. It will give you more and more challenges like this. More and more events will it will create in your life like this to make it your reality. And once you reframe this with I can, I will, I'm enough, I'm capable, I can do it, I'm learning, I'm healing, I'm evolving. Your these I am statements, they are your new identity. And this new identity will create your future destiny. When your I am statement will be powerful, then your brain will now your brain how it will work, it will collect more evidence to collect to make you realize to prove it to yourself, to you only, that now she is ready to make a change in her life, to transform. Yes, the habit will take time. Our body, our mechanism is so that it will take 60 to 90 days of time to create a habit, because you are repeating a pattern since ages. So at least a 90 days process is needed to reframe your inner dialogue. Once once you will repeat it like a cycle for 90 days, it will become your new habit and it will become your new identity. That is why transformation journey takes at least a period of 90 days and may go on to 120, 360, depends on your requirement.
Okay, so how does this negative self-talk impacts your confidence level or your energy levels? क्योंकि अभी जैसे कि आपने बताया कि वो हमें बहुत अंदर से हमें वैसा ही यूनिवर्स देता है, हाउ वी रिपीट, सो हाउ डज इट इफेक्ट योर कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल?
How it affect my confidence level? Like based on the events, the experiences, your
राइट।
confidence shifted. As I told you, I was a working professional, a dentist, a medico. Then I become a homemaker. So this itself is a very challenging situation.
राइट।
Yeah. So the confidence जब यहाँ था तो यहाँ आया ना कि मैं क्या थी और क्या हो गई. तो slowly I need to transform after giving a break of 7 to 8 years, a big break जो बहुत बड़ा होता है,
यस।
just taking care of a family and kids. So I need to work a lot on myself. I changed my complete inner dialogue. And whatever I was saying, I started living it.
ओके।
This helped me manifest it. This helped me a lot in manifestation of what is the future, Nupur. See, spell casting, it is something magic. Spell means the language, the spells. That from there only the word comes spelling. When your language is such that it's empowering, it will cast your future and
Okay.
it will help you manifest your new destiny, your new identity. So the word, just not the word, I enroll some new feelings, new gestures in my life. I fill my words of fear, whatever the words of fear I was using earlier. I used it by, okay, this is a challenge in my life. I accept it with open arms and I am learning from it. I'm evolving. Yes,
Absolutely.
I'm changing every day. Huh? Then the words of gratitude. In small, small things, I started seeing the gratitude. When the gratitude will come, the universe will definitely gonna support you. And the words of gratitude, they are the high frequency words. Like this, from shifting from low frequency to shift from to high frequency, it's a process. It's a
Okay.
entire complete process where not only NLP but healing will also have a great role, because healing also is very important, because जितना stored है subconscious में, you need to clean it first.
Right.
NLP भी तभी वर्क करेगी, यू विल स्टार्ट रीफ्रेमिंग, बट ऑलरेडी वो स्टक्ड है ना, भर चुका है, योर रिसाइकिल बिन इज फुल, यू
Hmm.
नीड टू डिलीट समथिंग, फिर
Right.
डिलीट करके तभी तो कुछ नया भर पाओगे. तो एनएलपी एंड हीलिंग गोज टुगेदर.
Yes. Absolutely. सो जैसे कि आपने बताया कि बहुत जने जो है मानते नहीं है कि अफर्मेशंस कुछ नहीं होता है, एनएलपी से कुछ नहीं होता है. दे हाउ कैन दे हेल्प देम ओवरकम फ्रॉम दैट नेगेटिव सिचुएशन इनटू एम्पावरमेंट, क्योंकि सबको कैसे चाहिए क्विक रिजल्ट्स. दे दे आर मतलब उनको
आप ना
एफर्मेशन.
ऐसे लोगों को ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करना होता है, बस बचपन की पड़ी हुई कुछ चीजें याद दिलानी होती हैं. गॉड हेल्प दोज हु हेल्प देमसेल्व्स. कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है.
राइट.
बस बचपन के पढ़े हुए कुछ डायलॉग उनको याद दिला दो. And there is always a divine time for everyone. Maybe they are not ready for it, and
राइट.
maybe the right divine time has not come yet.
एब्सोल्युटली. यस. सो
So alignment is very much necessary. ये एक ना एक दिन सबको समझ आना है. इफ नॉट इन दिस लाइफ टाइम, मे बी नेक्स्ट, मे बी नेक्स्ट, मे बी नेक्स्ट, मे बी नेक्स्ट. जब तक समझ नहीं आएगा, भगवान बार 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 भेजते रहेंगे, कभी कीड़े के रूप में, कभी फूल पत्ती के रूप में, कभी इंसान के, कभी जानवर के, कभी पंखे के, कभी टेबल के, कभी फ्रूट के, डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर कर्मा.
यस.
बट
डेफिनेट.
समझना तो पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दिस इज ऑल एवोल्यूशन इज अबाउट.
एब्सोल्युटली. सो थैंक यू सो मच. तो जैसे कि आपने बोला कि एनएलपी से हम अपना माइंड, अपना वर्ड्स को रिफ्रेम कर सकते हैं. सो हाउ कैन वी कॉन्शियसली चूज वर्ड्स दैट मैच आवर आइडेंटिटी, आवर कॉन्फिडेंस एंड रियलिटी, सो दैट वी कैन क्रिएट आवर और मैनिफेस्ट आवर ड्रीम लाइफ.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हमें अपना एक माइंडसेट सेट कर लेना चाहिए कि दैट वॉट एवर इवेंट्स, वॉट एवर चैलेंजेस, वॉट एवर इज द सिचुएशन इज मेंट टू मेक मी लर्न समथिंग आउट ऑफ दिस, rather than making me more low. Everything, every person in this world has a role given by God. Every soul is playing a role, and we just need to learn that what lesson is there hidden behind this situation, behind this person, for me. इतना समझ गए तो आधी तो लाइफ की प्रॉब्लम अपने आप सॉल्व होनी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. देन रीफ्रेमिंग ऑफ लैंग्वेज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइक जब हम कुछ वर्ड्स यूज करने चाहिए हमें, लाइक rather than focusing on the problem, we should focus on challenge. Then change, I have to, like, I have to take care of kids, I have to do the household work, I have to do this, I have to do that. Change this to I choose to become a homemaker. I choose to take care of my kids.
Right.
I choose to take care of my husband. I choose to cook food. I choose to do all this.
Absolutely.
Then focus should not be on a failure, because there is never a failure. There is always a feedback in every situation. किसी भी situation में failure होता ही नहीं है. When the people say ना loser loser loser, वो इतना morale down कर देते हैं सामने वाले का. There is nothing like loser. There is always a feedback. वो loser क्या पता कल आपसे भी आगे चला जाए. Like we saw in Three Idiots also.
Right.
Like many movies are there. तो जिसको कहने, ज्ञान तो हर जगह बट रहा है. मूवीज में भी ज्ञान है, सीरियल्स में भी ज्ञान है. आपने आसपास देखो, नेचर में भी बहुत ज्ञान है. जिसको लेना होता है वो लेता है, जिसको नहीं लेना होता वो नहीं लेता.
Absolutely.
ऑलवेज ऑलवेज हम जनरलाइज कर देते हैं सिचुएशन को. ऑलवेज दिस हैपेंस टू मी. ऑलवेज आस्क योरसेल्फ, रियली, रियली ऑलवेज, क्या हमेशा ही ऐसा हो तुम्हारे साथ? यू जनरलाइज द सिचुएशन एंड यू डिलीटेड ऑल द फैक्ट्स विच समटाइम्स सपोर्टेड यू. तो ये जो एनएलपी का बहुत एक इम्पॉर्टेंट एक टेक्निक है, जीडीडी, दैट इज जनरलाइजेशन, डिलीशन एंड डिस्टॉर्शन, जो कि हर इंसान को आनी ही आनी चाहिए. यू शुड अपने आप से जस्ट इंट्रोस्पेक्ट योर सेल्फ कि वेयर आर यू जनरलाइजिंग इट.
Right.
आपके साथ कुछ भी इवेंट हुआ, आपने जनरलाइज कर दिया कि मेरे साथ हमेशा ही ऐसा होता है. जस्ट आस्क योरसेल्फ द लास्ट टाइम जब the same person has supported you, the same person was standing for your welfare. Just ask yourself, कब हुआ था लास्ट टाइम ऐसा?
Right.
एंड एंड स्टॉप डिलीटिंग द फैक्ट्स. तो फोकस जब चेंज हो जाएगा ना, कि फोकस जब जाएगा एम्पावरमेंट की तरफ, तो अपने आप वो जो लूप हमने क्रिएट कर लिए हैं लाइफ में, जो पैटर्न्स बनते रहते हैं, वो अपने आप डी लूपिंग स्टार्ट हो जाती है. दिस इज कॉल्ड द रीवायरिंग एंड रीफ्रेमिंग ऑफ योर ब्रेन.
Right. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग दिस. क्योंकि हम तो जनरलाइज ही करते करके छोड़ देते हैं चीजें कि हाँ मेरे साथ ऐसा ही होगा, मेरे साथ कुछ अच्छा नहीं हो सकता है, आई एम अनलकी, आई एम बॉर्न अनलकी, मेरे पास ये नहीं है वो नहीं है. बट वी डोंट गो इन डेप्थ इन नोइंग अबाउट व्हाट ऑल इट इज, कि हम वही अपनी चीजें पकड़ के बैठे रहते हैं. डेफिनेटली दिस जीडीडी help you to introspect yourself, empower yourself, and will motivate you to move further in your life. This inner reflection work really works wonder if you believe in it. So, uh,
Absolutely.
Dr. Nupur, we'd like to, I would like you to give one last advice to our audience, those who are watching this. How can NLP help them for their further development, and how can they connect to you for further growth?
I would say that words really shape your reality. Words had so much of power. The tongue that God has given us, it's boneless, but it's very, very, very powerful. So now, not just for the outer world, but for your inner world also. Because these words will only gonna shape your reality. If you will be focused on I'm stuck, I'm stressed, I can't do this, I don't get time. So, wherever your focus goes, your energy will grow more and more there. And you will be staying in this low energy for your lifetime. If you have to change your present scenario, you have to change your focus, you have to rewire your brain, you have to reframe your words. Rather than using these low frequency words, use high frequency words. Live in the gratitude mode. Always see gratitude in small small things. पंखा, लाइट, पलंग, चेयर, हर छोटी से छोटी चीज का, ब्रेथ जिसको हम काउंट भी नहीं करते हैं, अपनी ब्रेथ का, रोज सुबह जिंदा उठ रहे हैं, फैमिली जिंदा उठ रही है, हर छोटी से छोटी चीज का अगर ग्रैटिट्यूड करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे ना, तो प्रॉब्लम से फोकस हट जाएगा.
Uh,
So this is very, very, very much important for everyone.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nupur, for
एंड आई वुड से जिनको इंस्टेंट रिजल्ट चाहिए, जस्ट अपनी हैबिट बनाएं इसको. लाइक यू हैव मेड एन हैबिट ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग वार्म ग्लास ऑफ वाटर एवरी मॉर्निंग, गोइंग फॉर अ बाथ एवरी मॉर्निंग, गोइंग टू द लू एवरी मॉर्निंग. तो एवरी मॉर्निंग एक हैबिट और ऐड कर लीजिए. जस्ट राइट डाउन योर 10 I am sentences, some powerful 10 affirmations. I am affirmations like I am confident, I am empowered, I am capable, I am enough, I am lucky enough. Like this 10 positive affirmations बना लीजिए. Make it a habit. Every morning इनको कीजिए. Just do it for 90 days. उसके बाद मैं आपसे पूछूंगी कि रिजल्ट आया कि नहीं आया.
right. Thank you so much for sharing this. I think it will be helpful for those who are watching this podcast and each and everyone. क्योंकि जो भी इन्होंने बताया is really really helpful and we have personally experienced it. And for further guidance, uh, for with Dr. Nupur, the links will be shared in the description. You can connect to us, DM us, message us, and we'll get back to you. And thank you
Thank you,
so
Juhi.
much, Dr. Nupur, for your valuable time and sharing so much insights on how NLP can help each and everyone. So stay tuned, everyone, till we meet another guest next week. Till then, reset and rise. Thank you.
Thank you.